CNCTrain software simplifies programming and automation training, offering interactive experience for students and professionals. Experience 3D simulation, automatic syntax generation, and real-time feedback and more efficient tools in software. Offering training, internships, and support to enhance skills and solve the hardware-software issues, empowering students and faculty for success. Discover our latest software updates. Perfect for educational labs, our machines simulate real-world automation in industries like automotive and aerospace. Discover machines like CNCTrain, AristoSim, mRobot, and more, perfect for software training and practical applications. Through Abhyaz, CNCTrain bridges the gap between theory and industry with hands-on internships. Gain real-world experience by working on live projects and troubleshooting scenarios. Interactive course materials that reflect the latest automation trends, ensuring students and faculty stay ahead. Earn trusted certifications through CNCTrain, powered by Abhyaz. Validate your skills and gain a competitive edge with real-world, industry-ready training. Subscribe now to unlock exclusive updates, boost your software skills. For more details, click and visit cnctrain.com to find everything you need. Connect with us now.